today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Xero. Uploading files to Xero is a straightforward process, but it's important to get it right to ensure your records are organized and complete. To begin, you'll need to open the Xero website and log into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options on the homepage specifically designed to help you manage your financial records with ease. Now, look for the arrow pointing downwards. This arrow is part of a drop-down menu that hosts several of Xero's features. Click on it. Click in it, and you'll see a list of options, each serving a different purpose in managing your finances. You want to find the option labeled Files. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage all document uploads. Once you're in the Files section, it's time to upload your document. You'll see a button that says Upload File. This button is your gateway to attaching all relevant files to your Xero account. When you click this, a window will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the file you'd like to upload. Navigate your device's folders to find the document you wish to upload. Whether it's an invoice, a receipt, or any other type of document, make sure it's easily accessible in a location you can identify quickly. Once you locate it, simply click on the file. You should see it highlighted, indicating that it's selected and ready to go. Once you're sure it's the right file, go ahead and click the Upload button to complete this step. Xero will take care of the rest, integrating your file into the system where it can be easily accessed and linked to your financial transactions or reports. Remember, keeping all necessary documents uploaded and organized in Xero not only streamlines your accounting processes, but also helps in maintaining a digital backup of all your crucial records. Additionally, ensuring your files are appropriately labeled can save you a lot of time when you need to find them later. By following these easy steps, you can ensure that all your documents are safely stored in Xero, contributing to a more efficient and effective accounting process. Remember, accurate and timely document uploads can make a significant difference in the management of your financial data. So, keep practicing, and soon enough, uploading files to Xero will become second nature. Thank you for watching and following along. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or look for additional resources available on the Xero support page. Happy accounting!